Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to delete a message for everyone on WhatsApp, specifically using the PC version with the latest update. If you've ever sent a message you wish you could take back, this walkthrough will help you do that smoothly. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet so all features are fully accessible. Once the app is up, locate and open the chat containing the message you want to remove. It could be a single chat with a friend, a group, or a broadcast. So keep an eye on the chat title to confirm you're in the right conversation. Next, hover your cursor over the exact message you want to delete. A small arrow will appear next to the message. Click that arrow to reveal a quick action menu. From this menu, select Delete, which will bring up a few options including the trash icon. Click on the trash icon to proceed with the deletion process. You'll then see the option Delete for everyone. This is the crucial step that makes the message disappear for all recipients in the chat, not just from your own device. Choose Delete for everyone to initiate the removal across all devices that have access to the chat. WhatsApp may display a brief confirmation prompt to ensure you're making the right choice, so confirm the action. A moment later, the message should vanish from the chat for everyone involved. It's important to note that this feature has time limitations and may not work if the recipient has already seen the message or if they're using an older version of the app. If the message isn't eligible for deletion for everyone, you'll receive a notification indicating that the option isn't available. To avoid future mishaps, take a moment to double check messages before sending, especially in professional or sensitive conversations. Regularly updating WhatsApp on your PC helps ensure you have access to the latest features and safety measures. If you're managing important information, consider adding a quick reminder to review messages after you hit send. That's the full flow. Open the app, pick the chat, hover and click the arrow, choose Delete, hit the trash icon, and confirm Delete for everyone. With a little practice, removing those slip-ups becomes second nature, keeping your conversations cleaner and more accurate.